Welcome to the operation video series of the Saizen Duco Robot Intelligent Welding System. We will start by demonstrating a linear welding path. First, use the buttons on the end effector to establish a weld seam. As seen in the video, this is a straight weld seam. The Saizen Duco Robot Intelligent Welding System requires only 4 points for teaching, which allows us to complete the demonstration of a straight weld seam. Next, we'll teach the first point. Press the point selection button on the end effector to choose the first point. Once the first point is recorded, move the welding end effector. Click on the weld seam, and then switch to low speed mode. Smoothly reach the arc starting point and press the button to record its position. Then, move to the arc ending point and record it. Next, we will record a safety point. Click Confirm to record the safety point we have identified. Now, our weld seam is successfully recorded. Click Confirm, and the weld seam is finalized. After this, you can use the Teach pendant to replicate the weld seam.